Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Think Big Digital. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use black lines in Notion. So in Notion, black lines typically refer to horizontal lines or dividers which are used to create visual separation between different sections of a page. So go to the page where you want to add a black lines and give a command, type here slash and type here divider. And here you can see this option divider. So as you can see, it appears as a horizontal lines, or you can use keyboard shortcut, which is you can see dash options in your web or desktop if you're using it, and you just need to type it 3 times. And here it also appears a horizontal lines. So that's the way how you can use black lines in your Notion pages. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video find you helpful. Let me know in the comment sections if you have any confusion and keep in touch with us.